Imagine this. You're parked for the night, exhausted from a long haul, but your truck feels like an oven. Sleeping in that heat? Impossible. That's where the best roof-mounted air conditioners come in, transforming your cab into a cool, comfortable retreat no matter how hot it gets outside. In today's video, I'll show you the top-performing rooftop AC units designed to keep semi-truck drivers comfortable on the road. Welcome to the channel. If you find the perfect AC today, check out the links in the description to grab the best deals. Let's dive in. The number 5 product on our list is KINGRVER Roof-Mounted AC Unit. The KINGRVER Rooftop AC Unit is a game-changer for truckers and RV owners who need powerful, fast, and reliable cooling on the road. With its 500 BTU dual-axis motor, this unit delivers rapid cooling within just 10 minutes, making it perfect for those scorching summer days. The R410A refrigerant ensures efficient airflow, while the high-quality ABS construction makes it durable, weather-resistant, and long-letting. Designed for semi-trucks, RVs, and other vehicles, this roof-mounted air conditioner is energy-efficient and easy to install, with an adjustable air distribution box and thermostat control included. It runs quietly, so you can rest peacefully after a long drive without the constant hum of a loud motor. While it's a top-tier option for cooling, some may find the installation process a bit tricky if they're not experienced. But if you're looking for the best roof-mounted air conditioner, the KINGRVER AC is a fantastic investment for year-round comfort. At number 4 is FOGATTI Roof-Mounted AC Unit. Is your truck or RV turning into a sauna under the blazing sun? The FOGATTI Rooftop AC Unit might just be the cooling powerhouse you need. With 13500 BTUs of rapid cooling, this unit can quickly drop the temperature inside your cabin, ensuring a comfortable escape from the heat. What makes it stand out? Its dual high-efficiency compressors and R410A refrigerant deliver fast, energy-efficient cooling. Plus, its ABS shell is built to handle harsh weather, so no worries about durability. Whether you're on a cross-country haul or parked for the night, this best roof-mounted air conditioner keeps you cool without draining your power supply. Installation: it's designed for easy setup, but professional installation is recommended for the best performance. Some users love its low power draw, but others mention installation quirks. So, should you buy it? Stick around, I'll go through real customer reviews to help you decide. The third one on our list is ASA Electronics Roof-Mounted AC. The ASA Electronics Rooftop AC is a powerful and durable cooling solution, perfect for semi-truck drivers and RV owners who need reliable climate control on the road. With 13500 BTUs of cooling power, this unit provides quick and consistent cooling even in scorching summer temperatures. One of its standout features is the rigid metal base pan, making it sturdy and long-living, built to withstand tough road conditions. The watertight vent opening gasket with 6 dense foam pads ensures leak-free performance even in heavy rain. It installs easily into a standard 14.25 x 14.25 vent opening, making it a great fit for most trucks and RVs. Plus, the 3 fan speeds allow full airflow control, so you can customize your comfort. It's not the quietest unit, but it gets the job done efficiently. For truckers looking for a dependable, budget-friendly rooftop AC, the ASA Electronics model is a solid choice. On number 2 is RecPro Roof-Mounted Conditioner. The RecPro Rooftop Air Conditioner is a powerful, energy-efficient cooling solution perfect for semi-truck drivers and RV owners who need reliable comfort on the road. With its low amp draw, you can run multiple appliances without worrying about overloading your power supply. A game-changer for long-haul truckers. One of its standout features is the dehumidifying function, which eliminates excess moisture, keeping your cabin fresh and comfortable in humid conditions. At just 55.4 decibels, it's quieter than most competitors, meaning you can sleep peacefully without the constant hum of a loud motor. The remote control and LED touchscreen make it easy to adjust cooling, sleep mode, and timing settings effortlessly. However, installation can be tricky, requiring additional bolts for certain RVs or truck roofs. But once installed, it delivers excellent cooling performance, making it one of the best roof-mounted air conditioners for staying comfortable in extreme heat. Now, moving to the last one is Coleman Roof-Mounted Air Conditioner. The Coleman Rooftop Air Conditioner is a powerful and reliable cooling solution that's perfect for keeping your RV or semi-truck comfortable in the summer heat. With 1,500 BTUs of cooling power, this unit offers one of the highest cooling outputs available, ensuring you'll stay comfortable even on the hottest days. The 320 CFM airflow is robust enough for ducted systems, and the all-copper tubing and durable construction promise long-term reliability. What really sets it apart is its easy installation and eco-friendly R410A refrigerant, which not only helps the environment but also enhances efficiency. The large evaporator and condenser coils allow for excellent heat dissipation, keeping the air inside refreshingly cool. However, some users have noted that the unit may require reusing parts from older AC systems, which might complicate installation for some. Still, for anyone looking for the best roof-mounted air conditioner for their truck or RV, this model is a top choice. After reviewing the top roof-mounted air conditioners, one clear winner emerges: the Coleman roof-mounted air conditioner. With 500 0 BTUs of cooling power, a high airflow rate, and rugged durability, it outperforms the competition, making it the best choice for truckers and RV owners. Whether you're on a long haul or parked for the night, this AC ensures maximum comfort. Check the links in the description for the best deals. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.